May it ever be so humble, there is no place like home. Good morning, everybody. Ma Terry here, and I know my van isn't pretty like minivan Lee's, but it's a van. And the hair is because we're going to be doing stuff today. What are we doing? We are going to tear apart my van, and I'll show you what's not working for me, and then maybe on another day we will build it back up. Yep. So this is what the interior of my van looks like. Usually there's a bag here that hangs, and that keeps my toilet paper in it. Fans, I hang up everything. Bungee cords. I saw some guy do he drilled the holes all the way through, and he put a metal pole through it, but it's like, how am I going to lift it up? You know, I can't. So I have a hole up here and a hole down there, and you know, the bungee cord, there's nothing ever so heavy in these drawers that it'll, you know, swing open. Even this one has like peanut butter and stuff in it, but yeah, nothing. Back here I have my trunks. Why do I have my trunks? Because that's my little art show business that if I ever get to a place I get to do. But let's talk about what we're going to do, and then we'll tear apart my whole van. Oh, I'm so scared. So what we're looking at, this is my bed system, and the mistake I made was I went in with all black crates, and Mr. Louis had purple ones, and I'm like, give me the purple ones. I want the purple ones. Well, the purple ones are bigger than my black crates, and now I have no wiggle room in there, so I got to replace all my black ones, all my purple ones with the black ones, and I'll measure out the white ones. I will figure it out. Basically what I have, let's see if I can lift this up. I have a series of 8 crates. Now I have videos on how I made my bed. This is really, really thin wood, and I put 2 yoga mats on top. But what would you put? I have 8 crates, right? That is my cricket cuddle bug area, button making, hot, cold, hats. Who doesn't need hats? Some Lucy stuff. Just weird stuff. So I'm going to have to figure that out. And I'm thinking also what I want to do is I step these forward. I'll have plenty of space to jump in and out. Oh yeah, it's a little wet here today. But what I have, let me show you, is, move that. I have a refrigerator I don't use. That whole section is not good. All that storage down there is not used. Basically, this whole area, 1/10 of my van, isn't available for storage. So what I'm going to do is tear out all these cabinets and bring everything forward and replace those cabinets with these cabinets. Yay! So, and yes, I only have like 3 entranceways. I could get in the hatch and everything, but what do I have? See how the refrigerator is blocked up? Why do I want to bring these cabinets forward? And I have plenty of room to do it, so I can store stuff in the back. Let me show you the other side. Those are my drapes. Lovely. There's my camouflage, right? Oh my gosh, it needs a bath. All right, so back here I have room. I have like 4 coats. I know, I figure it myself rich. There's my folding stool. That one's pretty neat. And I have 2 big solar panels. That is my Nomad 100 Goal Zero, which I love. And this is my handy dandy. What is it? I gotta spin it around. There's my window. And this is really nice and thick. That is my window insulation. And what do? See how all this keeps the heat from coming in? I did the same thing on the windows here, all the windows and everything. This is the sun side of my van. The other side of my van is circulation. Oh, and I can see this is hanging down. We can't have a stealth camper if light can get out. Thing I did was make a mess, so now I gotta wait for my cement to dry. Oh my gosh, I love this indoor flooring. What is it? This is the same thing I make my sun coverings out. That is plastic, corrugated plastic. All right, Terry, no more making mistakes, okay? This is serious work. Next, we got to clean us a couple of crates. All right, so this is what it looks like with the wood planks off. And see, I have access to those drawers if I take out the top drawer. But I got a lot to figure out right now. I do. I think the first thing I'm going to figure out, now I said that purple ones are longer than that. I'm going to replace some purple ones with the brown ones and see how that works.